next you have another concept here now, the most important point, NEET point of view, that is Waldeyer's ring. What is Waldeyer's ring? In human body here now, different kinds of tonsils, nearly 4 types of tonsils are there. They are situated in different parts of the pharynx. They are arranged in a circle. All of them are arranged in a circle, which are referred to as Waldeyer's ring here now. On the top you have pharyngeal tonsils. Pharyngeal tonsils. These pharyngeal tonsils are situated in the nasopharynx, as I made a mention earlier. Then the pharyngeal tonsils are followed by tubal tonsils. Tubal tonsils. Tubal tonsils are situated near the openings of the eustachian tubes. They are also present in the nasopharyngeal region. They are present near the openings of eustachian tubes, Then next you have palatine tonsils. Palatine tonsils. Palatine tonsils are present in the palate region, that below the palate, soft palate, in the oropharynx. Made a mention just now. Palatine tonsils are the tonsils which are more prone to infection in certain children here now. So they are present in the oropharynx below soft palate here. Then palatine tonsils are followed by lingual tonsils. That all 4 of them are arranged in a circle, which is referred to as Waldeyer's ring, named after the scientist Waldeyer's ring. Now, on the whole, what is the function of these tonsils? They synthesize lymphocytes and thereby provide immunity to the human body. Provide humoral immunity to the human body. They are made up of lymphatic tissue. Now, among these, the pharyngeal tonsils are also called adenoids. Pharyngeal tonsils are also called adenoids. So this is about the tonsils in the human body.